Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer crypto from Gate.io to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gate.io and Coinbase. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any verification steps. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups later. Step 1. Log into your Gate.io account and head to the wallet section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Remember, not all cryptos are supported on every exchange, so verify that first. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin or Ethereum, that's usually a breeze. Next, initiate a withdrawal. Enter your Coinbase wallet address as the destination. You can find this by logging into Coinbase and going to your wallet. Copy the address carefully. Double-check for any typos because that could mean losing your funds forever. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal on Gate.io, you'll need to wait for the network confirmation. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the crypto and network congestion. Keep an eye on transaction fees too. They can vary, so choose the right network if options are available. When the transfer hits Coinbase, you'll see it in your account balance. Always verify the deposit in your Coinbase dashboard to ensure everything's correct. If something goes wrong, contact support immediately. A quick tip for 2025. With evolving regulations, make sure you're aware of any new KYC requirements or limits on your accounts. And always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. There you have it. That's how you transfer crypto from Gate.io to Coinbase. It's simple once you know the steps, but stay vigilant. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.